Hey guys, let's talk about soil formation. So here we're going to see concept of soil and the soil formation and the other related topics. Let's start with the concept of soil and soil formation. Soil, this is the loose surface material that covers most land. Soil is also defined as the top layer of the earth's surface on which plants grow. Basically, it consists of inorganic particles and organic particles. It is formed through the process of weathering, which breaks up rocks into small fragments. A large portion of soil, especially the mineral portion, is formed from the parent rock or parent material. Now, this brings us to the definition of soil formation that can be defined as the evolution of soil from the parent material. Uh, this process is continuous. It takes place through the action of weathering processes on the parent material. And the weathering processes can be mechanical, chemical, the others as we've already seen in our past videos discussing the weathering processes. Now, as weathering takes place, the parent rock is broken down into smaller units which mix with the organic matter, water, air, and the living organisms to make up the soil. You see the factors for the soil formation. So here we're going to start to see various factors that lead to the soil formation. The study of soil involves with the understanding the factors responsible for its formation. Now these factors are as follows. The first one is the nature of the parent material. This nature of parent material basically determines the type of soil formed, soil color, soil depth, the rate of soil deformation, soil structure, soil texture, porosity, and the mineralogical composition or its fertility. It also influences soil maturity, such that if the plant block is hard, it takes a long time for a soil to mature. While the rate of maturity is fast where the plant block is soft. Also, the fast maturity of soil is formed from the soft rocks is due to the fast rate of weathering processes. Mature soils are deep and productive, while immature soils are shallow and less productive. Now, some rocks are more easily weathered than other rocks, such as acidic rocks, which are more resistant to weathering than basic rocks. So, the parent rock affects the soil texture and the water permeability. Also, parent rock with the fine particles is more resistant to chemical weathering than mechanical weathering. Very compact parent rocks like sandstones are very resistant to weathering. Porous rocks, for example, weather easily by chemical processes. So this is because they've large surface area for weathering agents to act upon. This is the second factor for the soil deformation, which is climate. Climate, this is the principal factor governing the rate of soil formation and the type of soil formation, as well as the main agent determine the distribution of vegetation. The important variables under climate include as follows, which are temperature, precipitation, and wind. Starting with the temperature, temperature affects the rate of decomposition of organic matter. It contributes to the rate of soil and soil profile developments through weathering. Where there is high temperature, soil development tends to be fast due to the fast rate of weathering, since the temperature contributes highly to the weathering of this parent material. And where there is low temperature, there is also a low rate of soil development due to the low rate of weathering process. Let's see the second one, that is precipitation. Precipitation also affects the profile soil development, since in some areas soil is eroded, leading to the soil profile destruction, while in areas deposition leads to the positive soil development due to accumulation of weathered materials and organic matter. So rainfall adds moisture, which facilitate both chemical and mechanical weathering, and hence soil profile development. The third one is the wind, has both positive and negative impacts on the soil uh, soil profile development, since in terms of negatively, that it can load the soil through the diffraction, leading to the soil degradation, or it can deposit some materials at the edge of the desert from the soil called Louis. So that is the positive impact on soil development. So that's all for this video. I hope it's clear, guys. We'll see more of various factors for the soil formation in our next sessions. Thank you.